Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Just another update on the 63 Corvette split window. So you can see here are the doors hung on the horse, the tree stand. So I'm about to epoxy prime both doors inside and out. And then after this is the whole car in epoxy prime. So then we can go back over blocking and doing any repair work that needs to be done as far as like body filler, stuff like that. But yep, about to get this thing all epoxy primed up. Make sure to like and subscribe.